Good morning, children. So, we were discussing latitudes and longitudes. In this chapter, till now, we have discussed about parallels of latitude and longitude. Then, we have discussed about the important parallels of latitude. We have also understand the different heat zones of the earth, like torrid zone, temperate zone, and also we have understood about the frigid zone. After that, we have tried to understand what are the longitudes. In this, we have seen that the longitudes are the vertical lines on the globe and they are 360 in numbers. And we have also understood that what are the uses of the longitudes, and we have also tried to understand that how the the degrees of the longitude are divided further into minutes and seconds. As well as we have seen all the longitudes are semicircles. Then we have seen the meaning of prime meridian. The prime meridian is the longitude of 0 degree, and there are total 180 from east to west side longitude. All these things we have seen, and further we have discussed about the grid of the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude. With the help of this grid, we have tried to understand that how can we locate the places on the globe of the earth with the help of the grid of parallels of latitude and longitude. Uh, for example, A, B, C, D, E, these are all the things we have seen. And today we are going to see the another point, that is longitude and time. In this point, we are going to see that what is the relationship of time with the longitude. This thing we are going to understand clearly. So, the best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon, and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally, it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be renowned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. So, what are the best means of measuring the time? These are planets, earth, moon, sun. These are all the best means of measuring the time. Uh, Even the shadow cast by the sun can also be helpful for measuring the local time. That means, in the earliest time, in the earliest people were trying to measure the time with the help of the shadow cast by the sun. Uh, as you know very well, at the daytime when the it is morning or evening, sunrise or sunset, that time the shadow will be longest, and at the mid noon the shadow will be shortest. So in this way, when the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday or noon. That means, uh, for example, it is Greenwich, and on the Greenwich city, you know very well, it is a 0 degree longitude, and the 0 degree longitude passes through the Greenwich city. And if it is midday or noon in the Greenwich city, so all the places along with their meridian of 0 degree longitude will be having the midday or noon. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर ग्रीनविच सिटी में अभी 12 बजे हुए हैं उस लॉन्गिट्यूड पर, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि उस लॉन्गिट्यूड पर हर जगह एक ही टाइम होगा, मिड डे नून ही होगा, मिड डे टाइम होगा या नून होगा. सो एज द अर्थ रोटेट्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those to the west will be behind it. For example, India is east of the Greenwich Mean Time. So all the places towards the east of the Greenwich city will be ahead of the Greenwich time. So the rate of difference can be calculated as follows. तो यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह से ये जो ईस्ट टू वेस्ट या वेस्ट टू ईस्ट का जो ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम से लेकर ईस्ट की तरफ और वेस्ट की तरफ हम जाते हैं तो टाइम को कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जाता है ये हम यहाँ देखने वाले हैं. सो द रेट ऑफ डिफरेंस कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एज फॉलोज. द अर्थ रोटेट्स 360 degrees in about 24 hours, and therefore one day is of 24 hours, which means when you divide 360 with 24 hours it will come 15 degrees. That means one time zone of the earth is of 15 degrees. An hour, so 15 degrees an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. That means to cross the sun rays or to cross the sun rays 15 degrees it takes almost 1 hour. That means to cross 1 degree it requires or sun rays requires 4 minutes. Thus when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4 is equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means it will be 1 p.m. over here. But at 15 degrees west Greenwich time, which means at 15 degrees east of the west of the Greenwich it will be 1 p.m. but at 15 degrees west of Greenwich the time will be behind Greenwich time by 1 hour. It will be 11 a.m. Similarly at 1 degree it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अगर आप 15 डिग्री ईस्ट की तरफ जाओगे तो टाइम क्या होगा, आगे होगा. और ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम से अगर आप 15 डिग्री वेस्ट की तरफ जाओगे तो टाइम क्या होगा, कम होगा. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर अभी ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम के अनुसार नाउ इट इज़ 12 noon, so toward the east 15 degrees it will be 1 p.m. and toward the west of the 15 degrees of the Greenwich Mean Time it will be completely we can say 11 a.m. So this is the difference when you go eastward or to westward from the Greenwich Mean Time. So this is the importance of the Greenwich Mean Time that is very really very important to understand. So at any place a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. When it is midday, the time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see that all the places on a given meridian or longitude have the same local time. So here it is said for each and every place there is a particular local time. And for example, if you are whatever place you are now sitting, that place is having its own local time. And when on that local time the sun is in the mid sky on the top of your head, so that time will be considered as the midday of that local time on that particular longitude. The time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आपने अपने यहाँ की घड़ी को उस लोकल टाइम के हिसाब से अगर सेट किया हुआ है तो उसी के अनुसार आपकी जो घड़ी है वो टाइम दिखाएगी. द टाइम शोन बाय सच वॉच विल गिव द लोकल टाइम. So, by the time shown by such a watch will give the local time for that place. You can see that all the places on a given meridian of longitude have the same local time. मतलब इसका ये है कि right from the north pole to south pole everywhere on that particular longitude on a given meridian of longitude will be having the same local time. In the next period we are going to see the another point, that is why do we have standard time. In this point we are going to understand basically that what is the need of standard time, or why do we follow the standard time, or what is the significance of following the local time through every country, and how many time zones are there, what are the time zones. These all the things we are going to understand in the next period in the point why do we have standard time. Till then, thank you very much and have a good day.